I know a couple of creators who literally make $1 million per sponsored short.
Viewers watch YouTube Shorts on one of these, so it's vertical portrait videos.
With its huge credibility, YouTube came up with another stop to dispense money, and we all know it is YouTube Shorts. People are literally making millions of dollars from each sponsored short, and here you are struggling to make a 30-minute hit like Mr. Beast, which can get you bankrupt. Here's all you need to make it to that stop, just like this 18-year-old girl who made even the highest paid fellow think twice. You may know the name, because if you don't, then you should. Jenny Hoyos is now the fastest growing creator for YouTube, and let's discuss the most important thing: how. This will be a step-by-step guide to getting the most out of YouTube Shorts with the strategies Hoyos uses in her videos. Looking into the approach she uses in her videos, that'll be a 5-step door to millions of views. Number 1, ideation. Secondly, hooks, storytelling, analytics, and finally, monetization. This guide will be the most effective way to help your journey on YouTube, so stick with us to the end. We are starting with the first thing first, ideation. Her overarching strategy and mindset make her shop unique. Jenny emphasizes the importance of a consistent schedule and approaches her YouTube channel with a business mindset, ensuring that content is meticulously planned, scheduled, and posted every Saturday at 10 a.m. EST. She also focuses on balancing producing high-quality videos with consistently uploading content. More clearly, you need to maintain the consistency of the content. No matter what, treating your channel like a business will make it the real deal. Jenny underscores the significance of identifying a unique advantage or skill that sets you apart from others in your field. She initially followed in the footsteps of established creators, but soon realized the value of carving out her own niche. By focusing on the finance industry specifically targeted at kids, she successfully identified and filled a gap in the market, distinguishing her content and providing a unique value proposition. Moving on to the next one, we have hooks. Hooks are as important as salt in your food. If the hook is not strong, there's only a 1% chance of the person next to the screen viewing your short. Even the 1% is doubtful. Like in the very beginning of this session, I went for Mr. Beast as an example, and now you understand why. To attract an audience who wouldn't normally think about saving money, it's crucial to have a compelling hook that stops them from scrolling immediately. A good hook should be concise, no more than 3 seconds, and visually appealing. It needs to be so clear that viewers can understand the video, even when watching on mute. Ensure the composition is strong by centering the content and limiting the frame to no more than 3 objects. Foreshadowing is an underrated element in hooks. A good hook not only grabs attention, but also keeps viewers engaged until the end of the video. For example, starting with, "Here are 3 reasons why X," sets the expectation that the video will conclude after the 3rd reason, maintaining viewer interest. Getting to the next section, we have storytelling. Even if storytelling doesn't come naturally to you, it's a skill that can be developed. Here are some effective storytelling techniques to consider. A powerful technique is dual narrative storytelling. With shorts, being concise is essential, as you have limited time to convey your message. One way to manage this is by telling 2 stories simultaneously, one through your voiceover and another through visuals. For example, if you're making a Valentine's gift for your grandma, because it's her first year without your grandpa, instead of explaining this directly, narrate the gift-making process while showing pictures of her with your grandpa. This adds emotional depth without overwhelming the viewer. When structuring your content, aim for a quick hook, a moderately paced middle, a peak such as a humorous moment, followed by a return to a moderate pace, and then a swift conclusion. This pattern creates a dynamic emotional experience for the viewer. According to the peak end theory, people remember the highlights and endings of a video. Ensure your content reflects this principle. Due to the 60-second limit in shorts, creators might rush through their ideas, potentially confusing the audience. Speak concisely, using the fewest words possible to convey your message. After presenting significant information, allow a moment for the viewer to absorb the context. That almost sums it all up. If there is plenty of time you have to put in, then the next phase is something that takes you a step ahead of every legit creator out there, and that's analyzing your own content. Let's move on to the 4th section, analytics. To gain insights into your audience's mindset and preferences, start by sharing your videos with someone who represents your target audience, like a younger family member or friend. This direct feedback will help you understand how your content resonates with viewers. Additionally, utilize your analytics by examining the retention graph rather than focusing solely on percentages. This will help you identify where viewers lose interest and allow you to make necessary adjustments. Study your top-performing videos, particularly those that continue to perform well over time, to understand what elements resonate with your audience and apply these successful aspects to new content. Develop repeatable formats, known as buckets, to build viewer loyalty. Keep these formats consistent in terms of structure, format, and titles to create a recognizable brand. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging interaction, fostering a sense of community and increasing the likelihood of returning viewers. Maximize your metadata, including titles, descriptions, and tags, to improve discoverability and attract the right audience. Finally, experiment with new ideas and formats, using your analytics to track performance. Adapt your strategy based on the results to maintain relevance and engagement over time. By continuously refining your approach and understanding your audience's preferences, you can create content that not only attracts viewers, but also keeps them coming back for more. Finally, coming to the last but not least, the real deal. Monetization. Creating YouTube Shorts can be highly engaging and beneficial, but there's one critical consideration: return on investment, ROI. Many creators find that AdSense revenue from Shorts is relatively low. However, savvy monetization strategies can turn Shorts into a significant income source. Shorts can indeed be profitable. While ad revenue may be lower than long-form content, successful Shorts creators can achieve comparable earnings through additional revenue streams, like selling products, offering courses, and securing sponsorships. For instance, some creators earn up to $1,000 per sponsored short. The key is leveraging multiple income sources and having strong business acumen. Expanding your reach with long-form videos is challenging but achievable. View Shorts and long-form content as distinct formats with unique challenges. A practical strategy for converting Shorts viewers to long-form content is creating videos with a similar feel. For example, bit-based videos that compile several Shorts into an extended format can be highly effective. This approach leverages the familiarity and interest that Shorts viewers already have, increasing the likelihood that they will watch longer content. To grow your YouTube channel and monetize effectively, understanding how to transition viewers from Shorts to long-form videos is crucial. Using features like linking related long-form videos from Shorts can help maintain high retention rates. Ultimately, monetization on YouTube requires a strategic approach to content creation and leveraging multiple revenue streams to achieve sustainable success. Well, this would be it from my side, or say Jenny Hoyos' side of help. I hope the instructions were clear and helped you understand what you clicked for. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.